Hey y'all, it's Diane with Shawcraft One and my old barn door, and I have some happy mail to share with y'all. This is my sweet friend Jenny. She sends me the sweetest little letters and happy mails, and I always love it when I get something from her because it just cheers me up so much. But I absolutely love the Mr. Rogers stamp. So I just had to show y'all that. I'm trying to cover her address. I don't care if you see mine. But look how stinking cute this envelope is. She always sends the sweetest envelopes and the sweetest little goodies inside these little envelopes. It just makes my day when I get one of these from her. So we're going to open this up. Of course, I'm going to save the washi because I'm going to reuse it. And then I'm actually going to try and save the envelope too because I can use it in my friend journal. So we're going to try and open it like this. Hang on a second. Okay, we got him open. Oops. I hope I didn't just show her address. I'm so sorry. All right, let's see what we have. Oh, look at that card. Isn't that so stinking cute? Oh, and it's a current. I love the current cards. They're awesome. Sorry about my hands. I'm still stained from inking on the collage boards that will be coming up in my next videos. So y'all are going to see those. Okay, let's see. Let me see what we have. How stinking cute is this? So she's made me this little card, and it's got a little flip. It has Happy Birthday America, Happy 4th of July, thinking of you. This is so stinking cute. I mean, I just love how she does this. And then she's made like a little pocket here and tucked in a little goodie. And the goodie is, oh, how cute. Oh, how cute is that? It's Tennessee-based word finds. And y'all, I used to be so addicted to word finds. I love word finds. But I had to stop because it was taking up all my time. And now that I'm making journals, I don't have time to do them anymore. But you know what? I'm totally going to do these. Thank you so much. These are so stinking cute. I love them. Okay, let me read my card. Hang on a second. Okay. I love you, Jenny, so much. And I thank you so much for always making my day. Every time you send me a card or a little goodie, you just always take so much time and put the sweetest things in your cards, and I absolutely love it. I can't wait to add this to my friend journal. If I ever have time to get back to my friend journal, I'm going to. I had planned on doing that when I got back from the lake this time, and well, I kind of got sidetracked with something else, which is the collage boards, which are coming up in the next videos, and it's actually going to be a series, so y'all be looking for that. So thank you so much, Jenny. You are absolutely precious, and I love you real big. And then I have another box from a sweet lady, sweet friend, and I'm going to turn it this way so you can't see her her address. Her name is Mary, and she bought something from my Etsy shop, and she said she loved it. So she sent me a message on Etsy, and she said that she loved it so much she wanted to send me a thank you gift. And y'all, I just think that is the most precious thing. I mean, how wonderful is this journal community that she wanted to send me a thank you gift for what she got from my shop. I just think that's just absolutely precious. And so let's just see what she sent. Oh, she said she was going to send me some binders. I'm so excited. She said she had heard me say in one of my videos that I was running low on my binders. Yay, Mary. How kind of you. Oh, I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Y'all, I'm kind of in the farm style Americana homestead theme type mood this summer. So there's going to be some good stuff coming up. And I can't wait because I'm going to use these to make some ring binder journals. Look, oh, I love the 6 ring binders. These are in such great shape, Mary. Thank you so much for these. These are awesome. Yay. Oh, how precious is that? And then let's see what we have here. She's wrapped something in the, oh, let's see. Look, she has sent me some fabric, y'all. No way! She sent me t-shirts. Oh my goodness! I'm so excited! Yay! Look at this, y'all. I am such a t-shirt girl. I am a t-shirts and shorts or blue jeans girl all day. Well, actually, now it's not blue jeans. It's more like leggings. Oh my goodness. I love this so much. Let's see what the back. Y'all, look at this. Oh, you're going to make me cry. It's got a scripture on it. Oh, I love this so much, Mary. Thank you. Okay, let's see what the other one is, because now that I'm squalling. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I love blue and the pink. Oh, I cannot thank you enough, y'all. This is so awesome. Let's see what the back says. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Galatians 5:22. These are the coolest t-shirts ever. Mary, oh, I love these so much. Oh my goodness. Ah, these are great. I love the pink tractor. I absolutely love it, y'all. Oh my goodness. I am so touched by this gift. I mean, how precious is that she thought of me when she saw these shirts and was kind enough to get them for me. I mean, oh my goodness. I'm just beyond words. I am honestly just beyond words. This is just too precious, Mary. And she's from my home state of Georgia, and so this makes me miss home. She's in Griffin, Georgia, which is not far from where I grew up in Dallas, Georgia. And Mary, I just can't say thank you enough. This is just too precious to me. Look at that. I'm going to put these on today. I'm going to be wearing these today, so I don't know which one I want to wear first. I'm so excited. So thank you so much. I do have another Happy Mail, but I'm going to pause for a minute and see if I can't gather myself. Oh my goodness, I'm just, I got to go dry my face, so I'll be right back and we'll try to work on the next Happy Mail. Mary, I love you so much. Thank you for absolutely making my day. This is just the best. I absolutely love these. Don't y'all love these? They're awesome. All right, hang on and I'll be right back. Actually, I think what I'm going to do is just go ahead and end this video here so that I can gather myself, and I'll do the other Happy Mail in a separate video because it's quite a big package, and I just kind of want to take some time and love on these and and compose myself. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these as much as I have. Mary and Jenny, y'all have just made my day the best day ever. Thank you so much. I love y'all so much, and I love all of y'all too. Thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have a great day. Big hugs.